Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good. And I'm back with another hair care, skincare and body care video. And today the products I will be talking about in this video are very unique set of products, and this is basically gonna be a whole kit. This is by Prismos Beauty. So the best part is you get all of these amazing product in a single kit. So what else do we need? Now this kit consists of 11 products guys, and it is gonna cover you from your lip care to your face care, your body care and also the hair care. So without further ado, we are gonna be talking about each one of them and how I use it. For that, we quickly need to be diving in guys, so let's just dive in. And guys, Prismos Beauty is a brand which is founded by cosmetologists, and the best part is they have combined some amazing ingredients which are gonna solve your hair and skin related problem. So guys, this kit has two shampoo. One is gonna be the strengthening shampoo, the other one is gonna be the dandruff control shampoo. And guys, first I will be talking about the strengthening shampoo. It comes in a very beautiful packaging and it is very easy to use. You just need to take generous amount and apply it all over your scalp and just rinse it out, and it is gonna strengthen up your roots. It has vitamin B5 which makes your hair healthier, beautiful and stronger. It has other ingredients which helps in strengthening up your hair, helps in reducing hair fall and makes your hair beautiful and smooth. The best part about the brand is guys, it is naturally made, has herbal and organic ingredients, so it is not gonna harm your skin. Next up, we will be talking about the other shampoo that we have, and that is gonna be the Prismos Beauty Dandruff Control Sulfate Free Shampoo. It has ingredients like niacinamide which helps in nourishing your scalp. It has biotin and keratin which makes your hair beautiful, longer and smoother. Next up guys, again gonna be hair product. So this is the strengthening hair serum. So what this serum does guys, it has pea extracts which helps in volumizing your hair, makes them beautiful and stronger. It has amino acid complex which makes your hair thicker and stronger. It is going to be very easy to use. To see some amazing and visible results, you must use it daily in your scalp. Take a little bit on your palm, apply it all over your scalp. Next up is going to be a hair product again guys, and this is going to be Intense Nutri-Rich Hair Mask. Now guys, this mask has nutritious oil like coconut oil, argan oil which helps in making your hair stronger. It has luxurious butter like shea butter, mango butter and cocoa butter which helps in making your hair beautiful, shinier and stronger. Guys, the next product is gonna be this foaming face wash. It has glycolic acid, it has lactic acid and aloe vera extracts. We all know glycolic acid helps in gently exfoliating dead skin cells from the face. It also helps in reducing blemishes and acne. It has lactic acid which helps in adding a beautiful and radiant shine to your skin. Aloe vera helps in hydrating the skin. Next up guys, I'm gonna be using this Age Protect Face Serum which has ingredients like niacinamide and retinol which helps in minimizing fine lines, help in boosting up collagen production and strengthening up the skin barrier, makes your skin beautiful and moisturized. And guys, next up is gonna be this body cleanser. It has ingredients like aloe vera which helps in hydrating your skin. It has lactic acid which helps in making your skin glowy. It also has glycolic acid which helps in gently exfoliating the dead skin cells, dirt and grime from your body. And guys, next up is gonna be depuffing dark circle under eye cream. It has caffeine and other botanical extracts like carrot seed, tomato fruit and licorice root which helps in depuffing your eyes, minimize dark circles and helps in fading away the fine lines and wrinkles you have around your eyes. Take a little bit, massage it around your eyes, and after some days you will see your fine lines and dark circles fading away. Next up is gonna be this complexion moisturizing lotion. It has ingredients like shea butter, kojic acid and alpha-arbutin Now, shea butter helps in moisturizing your skin, making it soft and supple, and alpha arbutin helps in removing dark spots and blemishes you have on your face. Next up is gonna be, guys, this Hydra Glow Rose Face Pack. It has rose water which helps in making your skin all hydrated, beautiful and smooth. Salicylic acid which helps in unclogging your pores and gently helps in exfoliating dead skin cells from your face. If you're someone who is suffering from acne and breakouts, it is gonna be really helpful for you guys as well. And guys, the last product is gonna be this Prismos lip balm. And guys, this lip balm has castor oil and bee germ oil which helps in healing the chapped and dry lips. It has passion fruit and buckthorn oil which helps in reducing the pigmentation you have on your lips, helps in fading away the dark spots and give you very beautiful, supple and pink lips. And guys, the best part about this kit is it is gonna make a perfect gift for your loved ones. It has all the skincare, hair care in one pack. It is very affordable, guys, and it is gonna give you some amazing results. So if you want to use it as a gift to your loved ones, it is gonna be perfect for that as well. But if you want to give this to yourself and take care of your skin, your hair and body with the goodness of natural and herbal extracts, this is gonna be the right product for you. So guys, these were all the products I wanted to talk about. I'll make sure that I give the product link in the description box below. Please go and check them out. You're not going to be disappointed. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.